This is my half hour thing. It won't be long. My hair is getting wild in the back. It won't be long. Money, relationships, and wellness are what I teach. I want people to understand that. You know, people will have their opinions. They'll say what they want to say. It doesn't matter. All I want is people to grow and to build and to become better people. And I deal with three main things: money, relationships, and wellness. Now, what's behind that is the mindset. You have to have the mindset to make money. You have to have the mindset to have great relationships. You have to have the mindset to get well. It's in here. You have to create it internally for yourself to have anything you want. It's mandatory to create what you want internally to have what you want on the outside. You want more money? You have to think like a billionaire. You want better relationships? You have to see yourself in better relationships. You want wellness? You have to see yourself well. Now, how does that work? You have to program yourself, and that's what I do. I coach you to get what you want, rather it be wealth, better relationships, wellness. You want better health? There's a system, a step-by-step system that you have to take. You want better relationships? There's a step-by system that you have to take. You want more money? There's a step-by-step system that you have to take. You can have anything you want in this life, but you have to believe it. Internally, get the mindset right, and then start doing the work that it takes. What is the work that it takes? Belief, confidence that you have to work on. You have to program yourself. You have to take yourself out of those triggers that keep you broke. Take yourself out of those triggers that keep you in bad relationships or non-relationships, out of those triggers that keep you sick. It's the programming. Something you saw in your life that's in your subconscious mind that stops you from making money, that stops you from having great relationships, that stops you from having great wellness. Something in the past. Now, we know today we're programmed to be broke. We're programmed to have bad relationships. We're programmed to be sick. That's every day through the media. So not only do you have old programming running in your tapes, running in your mental tapes, subconscious tapes, you have new programming coming into you that backs up that old programming. So you're constantly downloading the information that is helping you realize what you don't want. You just can't say, I want money. I want great relationships. I want wellness. You have to work on it. You have to work on it. And you have to develop a protocol and a system that helps you get what you want. After you imprint your DNA with the information that you need. Dennis Kimbrough, I like Dennis. Dennis is cool. After you imprint the information that you need. Okay? Now, see, Dennis Kimbrough is like most brothers. He don't deal with that poly. They do their shit. That's old school. They do their shit behind the scenes. They have their mistresses. Don't nobody know about it. I'm trying to free folks up and understand it's okay. So you can be healthier. You can be stronger. You can even make more money. Because now you have a team that's supporting you and helping you. But that's another story. But I love Dennis Kimbrough. Think and Grow Rich at Black Choice is a great book. So, get your money right. Start paying attention to what is your thought process when it comes to money. Do you have a great relationship with money? Do you? Do you have a great relationship with money? When I have money in my wallet, I have the dollars first, then the fives behind, and the tens, and the 20s, and the hundreds. I have it stacked right. Everyone looking good. The white dudes on the money looking good. They all in formation. Because I want them to go out. When they leave that wallet, I want them to go out and bring me some more money. You never see me with crumbled up money in my pocket. I respect the value of money, the currency, too much. It's the symbol of currency, so I respect it. I have a great love and appreciation for money. But we've been programmed. The love of money is the root of all evil. What? The love of money is the root of, they always say, people say, well, they say love of money, not money. The money is the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil. Who told you that shit? You better love you some money. Don't you want it to love you back? Don't go for that game, this scripture game. We're so tied up in the bullshit. The love of money is a great thing. Is do you love yourself enough and do you love people enough to do right with the money? But the love of money, you should love it. Money. I love what money can do. Money is a wonderful thing when you're working on yourself and you love yourself. It's a tool to use to create and get what you want materially. You can help people. You can help so many people when you have money. And bottom line is you can help yourself. Somebody said, no, Jason. No, what? Now what? Now what? Now what? Tell me now. Now what? So, get that money. The love of money is correct. Give Jason I'm going to give you a standing ovation, brother. The love of money is the root of all good. You damn straight. Okay? And this relationship thing, y'all got it twisted. You see what Cardi B is going through right now? I knew it was coming. What she say? She said, I'm missing my Offset. Missing him in my mouth. You're right, because y'all got a great sexual relationship and he's great in bed because he's sensitive. He's got that beta energy. He's probably sensitive and loving in the bedroom, but he's just crazy outside the bedroom. He needs to work on his alpha. So he knows how to protect you. He knows how to manage you. He knows how to create the environment that you need to be in to be peaceful and successful. He knows how he needs to know how to protect the empire. Because if you get with him now, that's what I tell him. If I was talking to him, make him your lover and get you another man that don't call you bruh. The fuck is he on? It's all right to be with him, but you have to put him in his place. So you're gonna go through the same thing, Cardi, if you make him your main man or the man in your life, because he'll never do that unless he grows into that. And if I talk to him, he would. Then his daddy coming in talking stupid. You saw his thing I posted. He's making excuses for his son. And he's making excuses for what happens when you're in the celebrity world. That goes with it. Shit comes out. And you got to deal with it. But you don't make excuses for your son, especially when he chooses to be with Cardi B and you go insult Cardi B. You don't do that shit. Oh, my son did some wrong things, but Cardi B. But he's with Cardi B. That's who he chooses to be with. Then he's got to accept the responsibility of dealing with the Cardi B. That's what men do. So you teach him how to deal with the Cardi B. That's what's really going on. And that's what relationships are about. When you meet somebody who challenges you, it gives you an opportunity to grow. So you got to take the good and the bad. Because they're nothing but a reflection of you. So it gives you an opportunity to grow. That's when we talk about relationships. And that's just one part, because that's what's going on now. So I help you get your relationships right. And first you have to get the relationship with yourself right before you can get it with somebody else. Okay? So your relationship with yourself is the most powerful relationship you will ever have. If you're a man or a woman, I want to teach you how to work with your intimate partner and to create magic and wonderment and build something that's bigger than the both of you. And not trip off the small shit like somebody so-called cheating. This baby shit. little shit. We get so caught up in the ownership is ridiculous. Okay? Now your wellness, I'm 60 years old. Yo, I'm 60. I'm 60. 6-0. Got more energy than 20-year-olds. In shape, getting ready to go to the gym now. Eat good, drinks my juice, drinks my water, eats my, I'm basically a natural, I'm a natural food eater. I eat, I don't know, 70% raw, I think, if I really looked at it. 2 to 3 meals a day. Eat basically plant-based, vegan. Eat salmon and hard-boiled eggs. I add them as a supplement to my diet. They're like a supplement. I don't eat it every day. I don't eat, but it's only hard-boiled eggs and salmon. Tuna every now and then, but it's really salmon. They're like a supplement. I may eat salmon 4 times a month. Eggs maybe twice a month. They're like a supplement. I'm basically plant-based. What it does for me, it's take the edge off. I'm never hunger for anything. I'm not like a junk food vegan eater. I don't eat soy. I'm not always thinking about food. I'm not there because I have that salmon and I have that hard-boiled eggs. It grounds me. It works for me. It keeps me very healthy. I've been a straight vegan. I always wanted to try and eat what I need. I'm not getting enough. I need something to give me that oomph. Fish and hard-boiled eggs do it for me. Gives me that killer too. I love having that killer in me. Vegan, I was too nice, too open. For me, some people are great on vegan diet. Dealing with multiple women, you got to have some groundedness. So I loves my fish and I loves my hard-boiled eggs. That's me. So diet is very important. Fitness. You know, you want to enjoy this life. You want to feel good. You don't want to make money and then 65, you're giving it back to the hospital. You don't want to have a great relationship, especially if you have multiple relationships. You got to look good. So it's an incentive because you have women, in my case, coming at you. So you got to be the dude. You can't be no out of shape, fat dude. You know, you want to be in shape. You know, you got to keep up. And then the tantric skills in the bedroom, you want to be in shape to do some of the moves. You know what I'm saying? So I help you with that. I teach you tantra. I teach you how to understand the 3 locks below the waist, how to have ejaculation control. Women, how to work your yoni. I teach you all that. Even how to project sexual energy when somebody is in another city, you can give her orgasms. I teach you all that. This is some serious information. And then on the other side, look, I prove it. This is my lifestyle. This is what I do. And I can show you how to do it. I can show you how to create serious money in your life, serious relationships, and serious wellness in your life. And then I'm so deep, like Tony Brown told me, the great Tony Brown from Black Journal told me, Tony Brown's Black Journal, told me a long time ago, if you're going to talk about self-help programs. So I have systems, passive income programs that you can get into and make money. I teach you how to trade the Forex so you can make money. These are things that I have. I have a wealth portal group that's all about the money and shows people how to make money easily, passively, or active income. Okay, this is what I do. I love what I do. I love who I am, and I want you to love who you are. I am my authentic self, and that's the best way to live. So I just want to share that with you. That's who I am. Get with the Wealth Portal Inc. Get this information and be happy and be blessed. Peace, poly, and prosperity.